there is something to excite you, something that really excites me. Here's what it is. Usually Huawei features sooner or later end up coming to the Honor series, and they are priced much lower. The Kirin 970 on the P20 Pro made its way over to the Honor Play. 67,000 rupees, 21,000 rupees. Now, as excited as I am to see the new Mates, I can't wait to see what trickles down to the new Honor phones. Now that's what I said in the Mate 20 Pro video, and guess what? It's that time now. The View 20 is here. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and let's get started. If you do end up liking this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So this is the box the View 20 comes in. Opening it up, we are greeted by the View 20 itself. Let's remove the stickers. Damn, that back looks great. Honor has seriously stepped up their game here. Removing the protective plastic of the front, let's set it aside for a moment. We then have a SIM ejector tool, a soft case that fits quite well, a Type-C cable, and the amazing 40-watt supercharger, one of the fastest chargers around today. So let's now get back to the Honor View 20. Take a moment to look at that back 4th generation nano vacuum coating with an invisible Aurora process. That's what Honor calls it. I call it beautiful. Even the Honor logo doesn't really stick out. Do note that we find 2 cameras and a fingerprint scanner here. Up front, Honor's got a surprise, that punch hole camera. They're calling it an in-screen camera, which technically it is. Well, technically it is inside the screen, yes, but when you say in-screen, for example an in-screen fingerprint scanner, you don't expect a cutout inside the screen, right? So the jury's still out on that one. But in all seriousness, what do you think of this? Better than a bathtub notch? Tell me what's your favorite here, bathtub style, water drop style, or the punch hole? Let me know in the comments below. So back to the front, this is a 6.4-inch IPS LCD panel with a Full HD Plus resolution. The display looks nice. I'm still getting used to the camera, so I don't want to comment on the immersiveness now. Will reserve judgment till I've spent more time with the View 20, but if you want, there's always an option to hide that part of the display. Other placements include the power and volume keys to the right, primary mic, speaker, and the Type-C port to the bottom, dual nano SIM slot to the left, the micro SD option from the View 10 that's been cut this time, sad. Up top we have a secondary noise cancelling mic, an IR blaster, and a headphone jack. Glad to see it alive and well on the View 20. Overall, I really like the build. The phone feels expensive, solid, and surprisingly compact given the display size. Built-in design, nailed. So what about the innards? We have the high silicone Kirin 980, just like the one on the Mate 20 Pro and the Magic 2. It is the flagship chip built on the 7nm process. It's been excellent on those phones, and I don't see any reason why that would change here. In fact, Honor's even thrown in what they call 9 cooling technology, which is liquid cooling aimed to maximize peak performance times. Now, in the time that I've spent with the View 20, even the regular stuff was great. The user interface felt fast and snappy. This is Android 9 Pie with Magic UI 2.0 on top. Why Magic UI? Is Honor rebranding MUI? I'm not sure. I've reached out to Honor and I'm waiting to hear back from them. Now, we saw Magic UI first on the Honor Magic 2. And there, given the phone was called the Magic 2, it made sense. Now talking about the Magic 2, do you remember this issue? You know how we like to say, if you hate the UI, go on, use Nova? That doesn't really work here since Honor does not allow you to change the launcher. I'm hoping this is something only for the Chinese variant. Well, as I hoped for, it is not a problem here. I had no issues using a third-party launcher. Now the other specs include 8 gigs of RAM along with 256 gigs of storage on this variant. There is also a lower 6128 variant available. All this is backed up by a 4000 mAh battery. If you are impressed with everything you've seen so far, we aren't done yet. The cameras. We have 2 here. One is a TOF sensor and the other, the primary. That's the much talked about 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, which comes with the f1.8 lens. The resulting images are excellent. Not Mate 20 Pro excellent, but still very good. At least initial impressions. The AI features do return. This time Honor says the camera can recognize over 1500 scenarios spread across 60 categories. And the video features from the Mate 20 Pro that weren't on the Magic 2, they are present here. Portrait video like this. The option to keep just the subject in color like this, they're all present and accounted for. The resolution still does top out at 4K 30, but super slow-mo 960 FPS is available. Now if there is one more thing that impressed me with this camera, it's gotta be the low light performance. The 12 megapixel pictures here as a result of multi-frame sampling and pixel binning look amazing. Again, these are all initial impressions, I'll have more to say in the full review. By the way, the 25 megapixel selfie camera seems interesting too. Now as for pricing, I expect this to be priced around the OnePlus 6T, so 38,000 rupees would be my guess. If Honor can nail that pricing, then the View 20 would be an excellent option. I can't wait to spend more time with this phone and get to the full review. So what do you think about this View 20? Are you impressed? Can you not wait to buy one? Or is there something negative that I've missed? Let me know in the comments below. And with that, it is now time I bid you adieu. Please share this video with friends and family if you can. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you feel. Also subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my daily content. So thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Retech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.